blessings be upon you all. On behalf of Masjid Al Hayy, it is my privilege and sincere honor to welcome you all to our 9th annual Interfaith Iftaar.
وَلَقَدْ آتَيْنَا لُقْمَانَ الْحِكْمَةَ أَنِ اشْكُرْ لِلَّهِ.
Saying, be grateful to God. Whoever is grateful for his own benefit, and whoever is ungrateful, indeed, God is free of need and praiseworthy.
Our promise to the community is to help people feel whole, not only caring for the body, but also for the mind and the spirit.
Looking at everyone in this beautiful, beautiful building where all of us are sharing a common calling to love, to serve, and to lift others up. And I'm sure that you would all agree with me. We're meant to guide one another. We're meant to pour into one another, to stand in the gap for one another.
I have a dream that when a neighbor is hurting, we do not ask how they pray before we help them. That our faith becomes the reason we stand up for one another and never the reason we turn our back.
But I'm here to tell you that what happens between nations does not need to metastasize between neighborhoods. This is a community, and that's what we want to emphasize.
God tells us through the Quran that we made you into tribes so that you may get to know one another. We may think that we're very different, but in reality we may find that we're actually not that different. What we may perceive as other may actually be us. What we perceive as East and West may actually be us.
No matter our faith tradition, we are called to lead by example because others are watching us. Our children and grandchildren learn far more from what we demonstrate than what we say. They see how we treat one another. They see how we respond during times of challenge. And they see whether our values guide our daily actions.
This year feels especially meaningful. Ramadan, Lent, and the Lunar New Year began with the same sacred season, a rare and a beautiful alignment. Across mosques, churches, temples, and homes, people pause to reflect, to pray, and to renew their intentions.
This has been such a blessing to participate in the Iftaar again. I've been coming to this for 5 years. It's always a great celebration of how we are all more alike than different. This mosque does such a wonderful job of outreach day in and day out.
I come here every single year and I ensure I empty up my schedule to come here because it's just a beautiful gathering. People are so generous, and this community, the entire community, is so beautiful.
I will say that it was such a neat experience to be able to be here, experience the unity, the love, and the integrity that this place brings.
The event means a lot to me. I look forward to it every year, but I really enjoy the camaraderie that happens here. It's one of my favorite things I look forward to every year.
It's important to show and represent what Muslims actually are. We are contributing members of the society. We are always invested in making connections with all of our neighbors, and so it's really important that other people can actually come and see what Islam is all about.